Alright guys, hey, just wanted to do a quick walk around of this 2019 4Runner. It's the SR5 or TRD off-road, premium, so it has leather heated seats. But yeah, what we got going on here on the front, we have CBI's front bumper with the loops. We have rigid double layer light bar on the very front, and then the rigid pods in the fog light area, and then also up on the Prinsu Rack, a single rigid light bar up there. We went with the Warn, I think it's the is it 10 or 12,000 pound synthetic rope with the Sidewinder attachment. We did full skid plates all the way back. We're running the XD wheels, 17-inch, with 275/70/17s on the BFGs. Did the King racing off-road suspension. I believe it's 2.5 or 3-inch lift, remote reservoir with the adjustable clickers. Total Chaos control arm. Makes it ride awesome. Did the ARB Safari Max snorkel. We did the CBI Rocksliders with the kickout and the top plate. Worked really good as a step as well. We went with the IKAMPER. It's the 2nd gen. And we also added the zip-in Annex room that zips in and makes, you know, obviously another sleeping quarters or out of the weather changing area. And then yeah, it's a king size bed up here. All the windows have screens, and then they also have a clear plastic cover if you don't want airflow coming through, and then they have the blackouts that zip up. So pretty cool, super easy and quick to deploy. I really like it. Prinsu roof rack, of course. That's what's mounted. We did the CBI Rear bumper with the dual swing outs, and then we have the straight spare mounted on this side, of course, and high lift jack Rotopax mounted on this side. And then we added some more rigid lights that really brighten it up when you're going into reverse. And then I can't remember what exhaust we did, but we did an exhaust blackout. I think we did the blackout package. And then it's locked. It's gonna open it up. Nothing really done to the inside other than the Switchpro setup. But go over here. This thing has been re-geared with Nitro gears, and we did the 488s. And then also it has the ARB Air Lockers on the Switchpro, and then obviously it has the ARB Twin Compressor mounted under the hood. And let's see here, what else do we got going on in this thing? It does come with a Pelican case, and it comes with max tracks, a set of them for recovery. What else we got? I think that's the majority of it that I can think of off the top of my head. But the inside, it's locked up where I show you, but it has leather seats, navigation, heated seats, super nice interior. It's brand new, hasn't been used yet, and we just built it to offer it to our customers. We sell a lot of these Mercedes Sprinter vans, and we upfit those. And so we just wanted to do it to this 4Runner, and we also did a 19 Tacoma on the other side of the lot. But they were everything was professionally installed by the Toyota dealership, by some of their master techs to retain factory warranty. So if there's any kind of issues, you can go back and won't disrupt the factory warranty. But gosh, if you have any questions, leave me a comment below, or check out our website. It has all our inventory on there, all our pricing. It's emmotorsboise.com. And yeah, let us know what you think, man. Thanks for checking us out. Talk to you later.